Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll discuss a new hot topic called as computer network. A computer network is the combination of two words that are computer and network. As you already know that a computer is an electronic machine. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. So what is the function of computer? Every machine perform some job or work. So what is the function of computer? Computer is an electronic machine which receives data from input device. It collects data from input device, and after receiving that input data, it processes that data. Using its own processor, and after processing of data, it gives output as information. So all these activities are performed by a stored program in your computer memory. So in simple term, a computer is a electronic machine which receives data from input device, and after processing it gives output as information. So a computer may be a standalone computer or it may be a network computer. Network computer means if we connect our computer with other computer, then it is called network of computer. Network may be computer network, may be mobile network, may be TV network. So network, if we connect one or more device, communicating device, then it is called as a network. So what is a standalone computer? Let us discuss what is a standalone computer. A standalone computer is any computer which is not connected with any other computer, and it performs all its work by its own. So it saves all its work in its own memory also. If a computer is, in simple term, if a computer which is not connected with any other computer or network is called as standalone computer. What is the function of standalone computer? By using standalone computer, we can perform some basic tasks like creating a presentation, typing a letter and application, listening music, and we can watch video, or we can also perform some basic calculation also. Now, in a condition, after creation of my presentation, if I want to send it to my friend, or in your office, your computer is not connected with other computer. Now your boss or manager call you and inform you to send that any notice or presentation to your other employee. So it is possible to send your presentation or notice with the help of your standalone computer. Can you send your presentation, letter or application without connecting other computer? Your answer is must be no, because your computer is not connected with any other computer. So as we discussed, a standalone computer performs all job of its own but cannot share created letter, application or any information to other computer or other network also. So to overcome this problem means sharing problem. Our standalone computer must be connected with other computer or other network. So now it is the time to connect our computer with other computer. So let us connect our computer with other computer. Now you can view a single computer PC1 send information and all other computer are receiving the message. When you connect your computer with other computer, your computer is called as a node or workstation. Now your standalone computer is called as a node. So what is a computer network? A computer network in simple term, connection of two or more computer either using wire or without wire, means wireless, maybe radio wave, microwave, maybe Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So wireless medium. So connection of two or more computer using wire or wireless to share information and resources. That resource may be hardware or software. Hardware resource means your printer, scanner, CPU or any other resource. And software resource means your any application software. So what is the main function of computer network? The main function of computer network is for sharing of information and resource. Again student, got it? Computer network means connection of two or more computer, and that computer are linked with each other by using wire or without wire. The main purpose of computer network is to share information and resource. Resource may be your hardware resource or it may be software resource. Hardware resource includes printer, scanner, maybe your fax machine, maybe your CPU or any other hardware resource also. And software resource include any application or utility software. So what is the difference between network and networking? Network means we already discussed that connection of two or more computer using wire or wireless for the purpose of sharing resource and information. Then what is networking? Networking includes networks as well as maintaining that network, providing security, and if your network has any problem, then find out that problem and root out the cause of that problem. This is called as networking. Networking includes network as well as maintaining, providing security and troubleshooting to the network is called as networking. So students, today we discuss computer network. Computer network means computer and network. It is a combination of two words, computer and networks. Computer means a electronic machine which perform some operation. It receives data and after processing it gives information as output. All the activities are performed by a stored program, and that program stored in your memory, computer memory, not in your memory, computer memory. So a computer may be a standalone computer or it may be a network computer. If your computer is not connected with any other computer, then it is called as standalone computer. If your computer is connected with other computer or network, then it is called as a network computer. What is the demerits of standalone computer? A standalone computer cannot share information and resources with other computer. So to overcome this problem, we connect our computer to other computer or with other network. So the main purpose of computer network is to share information and resources. That resources may be hardware or software resources. Then we discussed difference between network and networking. Thanks students.